Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add screen recording to Control Center in iOS 26. So let's get started. Solution number 1. Add screen recording to Control Center. Open the Control Center on your iPhone. Tap the plus icon next to the screen recording. Select Add a Control Center. Click on search bar, search screen recording. That's it. Now screen recording will appear in your control center. To use it, swipe down from the top right corner or swipe up depending on your iPhone models and you will see the screen recording icon. Solution number 2. Check for software update. Open the setting app on your iPhone. Tap on General. Select software update. If an update is available, tap download and install to upgrade your iOS. And that's it guys, that's how you can add screen recording to the control center in iOS 26. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.